You can now create
AI model influencer with one click.
Put them into any movie scene.
Daddy shouldn't waste his time. And from now on, it's gonna be nothing but short skirts around the house.
Or in any TikTok video. So I created all of that using APOB.AI, and you can also try it for free. It's a dedicated AI influencer platform. So let me show you step-by-step process how to create your own influencer model, avatar, whatever you need. So just click here, create portrait model. Then you can either generate an image here, selection of the country, eyes, hairstyle, everything. You can do that here, or you can upload your own image. I will do that. So with this single reference image, the AI platform will create the whole model. Let's name the model, for example, Ariana Gaze, description, fitness influencer. Let's make it private and create your image model now. Okay, and the model is ready. Now there are many categories of things you can do here. So from videos to images and many different presets. So for example, now I can just click here in the complete set for the images perspective. Let's say I would like her to be, I don't know, in Cairo. Just click Cairo here, generate. So here she is, looks beautiful. Then based on that image, you can create a talking avatar, you can create edit clothing, you can chat to edit, you can enlarge, create a video, everything else. Now we will just create a couple of more images. So for example, if we expand here, we can add her in many different cities, many different looks. I don't know, metallic style, for example, cowboy, rainforest, whatever we like. Beach, surfing, let's use Chase Lounge. Generate. So this is what we got. Looks pretty good. And you see how easy it is to create. Just, a couple of clicks and you have everything. Okay, so we are done. Let's say we are done with a couple of images. We can always return to that. Let's now do some very interesting things. This is ReVideo. This is extremely good. So here you can upload any kind of video and create that kind of video with her face. So for that, we can go, for example, to the TikTok and look for the hashtag dance. And I don't know, then find someone with many views. Okay, so for example, this one. I'll probably turn off music because of YouTube copyrights. Then just copy URL from that video and then go, for example, to some kind of a TikTok downloader, paste, and then click download. And our video is downloaded. Then click upload video. So here it is. This is the reference video. And then we can just choose our model. By default, this image will be used, but we can use the content that we previously generated, but not needed for now. And then just generate. And here is our result. So let's look at it. Yeah, looks pretty good. So here is the original video and here is the reference image and our final video is here. You can do that with any kind of video you want. Just download it, use it as a reference from movies, from TikTok, from Instagram, and you can do many additional things. So for example, if we go here on Instagram and search for one of the most popular AI models, fit Aitana Lopez, then we found the image that we like. So for example, this one, then just take a screenshot of that one and save it in your drive. Then you go here and click, for example, to image face swap. Upload an image, this one, save, and then when we click generate, her face will be swapped with our models. Extremely good. So here she is. Let's edit the clothing. For example, let's use this one, generate. Very good, looks great. So then if we go back, we would like her to say something. Let's click on talking avatar. So let's select the content. So something that we created previously. I don't know, this one from Egypt looks good. So let's generate audio. Here, voice model. Let's use Vicky.
Hi, I'm Vicky from Sofia, Bulgaria.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm Lyra, a 22-year-old pop singer from Miami. I love to have a good...
Natalie is a paralegal who works in Fresno, California, and in...
Oh, this one looks good. Or we can create our own voice model. So general language, upload audio, AI voice model generator. You can do anything here. We'll not do that for now. Let's click here, help me write a script. Okay, so slightly change the script. Let's hear it.
Hello, welcome to my Instagram profile, your new favorite...
Nice. Select. Then, for example, we can change how to use the camera. So station, handheld, zoom out, everything. Let's leave it as a default for now and click generate. And here is our talking avatar looking pretty good. So let's look at it.
Hello, welcome to my Instagram profile, your
Nice.
new favorite spot for inspiration.
Yes.
Thanks for stopping by. Stay tuned for exciting updates and behind the scenes sneak peeks. Let's connect and make this journey unforgettable.
Really amazing platform. I already tried creating several models. So for example, when we click on this one and look at the history, we can find many different things here. So for example, the introduction that you see for this tutorial was also created partly here. Also many images, and also the legendary Margot Robbie scene from The Wolf of Wall Street. I just uploaded the video from Margot and then clicked on ReVideo and we received this.
Daddy shouldn't waste his time. And from now on, it's gonna be nothing but short skirts around the house.
Great and extremely easy to create anything. Interestingly enough, with the initial version of $13 per month, you can create thousands of images, many videos, and you have access to the full platform. So check out the link in the description down below. So thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.